In this lecture, we're going to show how to use a split line, so how we can split a surface and how we can create a text on the surface. So with the split line, we can project a sketch on the curved or planar face, so we can get a multiple separate faces. So first, let's go to the top plane and let's create some solid feature. Let's go with a circle and let's extrude this. Let's go with 150 millimeters like this, and let's click OK. Now let's create a new plane. Let's go with a new plane, and for the reference let's choose front plane like this. Let's increase the offset distance like this, and let's click OK. And now we're going to create here a sketch on this face. Let's go to sketch, normal 2, and let's start with a line. So now we're going to split this surface with two lines. So here we're going to create a horizontal line like this, and here down we're going to create a line like this, and this. And now we're going to split this surface here with those lines. So we're gonna get a multiple separate faces. And now we have to find split line tool. We can right click here, we can go here to analysis preparation. And now we have a tab analysis preparation. Let's click this one, and here we have a split line. Let's click here. So here we have a few options, type of split, and we're gonna choose projection. So automatically here we have a selected sketch to project. We have a current sketch, this one, and here we have to choose faces to split, and we're gonna choose this face like this, and let's click OK. And as you can see, we got multiple separate faces, this one, this one, this one, and if we go to other side, we have here also this one. And now, for example, you can use those faces to create 3D sketches, and then you can extrude those 3D sketches. Now let's go to the split line here. Let's open this and let's edit sketch like this. And now we're going to show how we can create a text on the surface, how we can cut a text, and how we can extrude a text on this surface. Now let's delete those lines here. Let's go here with center line like this, horizontal. And now we're going to create here a text. So let's go to text here. For a curve, let's choose this line. And let's type here cat. Let's bold it like this. Let's click here and let's go with space. So let's go to the middle. Now we can see here we're in the middle like this. Now let's uncheck use font document. Let's go to font and let's go here with points. Let's choose 48. Let's click OK. And now we don't see our text. You can just click here and we can go back like this, and now our text is here. Let's click OK. And now we can use this sketch, this text, to split our face here. And now we can just exit sketch like this, and now we can see that here we have cat. And now, for example, if we want to extrude this text, first we have to convert this text to 3D sketch. So let's go here. Let's create a 3D sketch. Now let's choose all those curves by holding Ctrl and select all of those curves here. And now we can go to convert entities, and here we have a 3D sketch. Now we can go to features and we can choose Extruded Boss base. Let's go with a depth 10 millimeters and let's click OK. And now you can see that this doesn't work because we have to specify the direction of the extrusion. So we have to create another sketch, another line to specify the direction. So let's click OK. Let's exit here and let's exit this sketch. And now we're going to create a new sketch on this face. So we're going to go with the center line and we're going to create a center line that will go like this. Let's exit sketch. And now let's choose this 3D sketch. Let's go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. Let's go with the depth 2 mm. And here, for the direction of extrusion, let's choose this center line, like this. And let's click OK. And now we have an error here, unable to create this feature because it would result in zero thickness geometry. So we have to here uncheck Merge Result, and let's click OK. And now we have created a text here, like this. And this is how you can create a text using split line on the planar or curved face. As well, there's a faster way how to create a text on this face, and this is by using wrap. And that we show in the wrap